Alright everyone, I was Day. So in this video I want to put us through how to withdraw our earning. So a lot of people has been asking me why can I go and withdraw my earning by myself, something like that. So I want you to understand that you can easily withdraw whatever earning you are earning on this ecosystem in a two-way. It's either you withdraw, it's either you send to the person who know how to. Let's assume you want to sell your coins now, the amount you have earned so far. The thing you are going to do is that you are just going to ask me for my rate, and if you are satisfied with that, and for you to be able to know maybe it's something I want to cheat you, this money like this you can easily change it to naira or any currency of your country. NGN, right? NGN, yes. So you can see this money now, right? I hope you can see the value of the money now. So for you to transfer this money out like this, you can easily ask for me that I want to send my coins BNB. How much is your rate? If you're satisfied with that, so you are going to send any amount. Maybe you want to send $20 or $50. Okay, right? So you are going to send it to my home address. I will send the address to you or any person that you want to send to. That is it. But the second way in which a lot of people want to ask that, they want to be selling the coins by themselves. So I will put all through how to withdraw from here to Binance. So for Binance to Bybit. So make sure you have patience to the end so that you're able to see the big picture and for you not to make a mistake. I hope you get right. And for you to withdraw the money, just click on this BNB. Please excuse me, I'm coming. Please just give me a few minutes. Please can you help me drop it and come back? So I'm sorry for that. I'm sorry for that distraction. Okay, let's continue now. Mido, I don't have any reason to withdraw for now, but purpose of this video, I will try to place a little withdraw. Okay, let me withdraw like 10. Okay, let me withdraw 20,000. 20,000. I hope you know by now that I was able to type 20,000 because I changed it to naira, right? And this is the value of it in BNB, 0.01933 BNB. So it's equal to 20,000 naira. So if I want this money to be in dollar, so maybe I want to withdraw like $10 or $15. Okay, let's change it to dollar so that everybody can relate easily. So just click on this setting. So just click on this fiat currency, change it to USDT. You can see that the money have changed to USDT again. So click on this BNB. So once you click on this BNB, or you click on this send. So let's assume I want to withdraw like $10, or let's assume I want to withdraw like $15. You can see, right? So I want to withdraw $15 from this my account, and for me to withdraw $15, this is the amount 0.022 BNB. I don't have any reason to withdraw. So but for the purpose of us who are asking for this video, so the next thing is for me to go and copy my address on Binance. Make sure you have a Binance app, and you must be very careful when you're coming around it. So as you can see now, Binance, there is no any fund available there. So the next thing is for you to click on add fund. Click on add fund. Choose this deposit with crypto. We'll go to deposit. Make sure you click on BNB. So make sure you are very careful here. So click on BNB. So choose a network you want to withdraw. You can see that we have a lot of options. BNB smart contract bench 20, OPP BNB, Ethereum. Make sure you choose OPP BNB. I have copied it now. So you have already copied it. Next is go and paste it on your wallet. So you need to paste it here. I hope you can see that we are withdrawing $15, right? Just click on send. Yeah, our accounts are been sent. You can see it, right? Successful. So we are going to wait for him on Binance to inflate. So let's wait for him to inflate. Come to this access. Yes, as you can see, our coins have already inflated on Binance. You can see, right? You can see I've already inflated. Yes, for you to verify that so that you're able to know that is the coins we deposit now. So just click on this, click on it. The history you can see, right, is 0.229. So let's go and check our wallet. Let's go and check our wallet. So you can see something that we deposit right now. You can see, right, 0.0229 BNB. You can see is the coins we send right now. So the next thing for us to do right now So for us to withdraw this money now, we need to transfer this money out to Bybit. I hope you get right. So for you to transfer this money out, click on this send and click on withdraw crypto from Binance. So click, you know that you are transferring BNB, right? Click on this BNB. Hope you get right. So the next is to go and copy your receiving address. You must be very, very careful. Yes, so I want to use Bybit for this. I hope you see right. There's no any fund available on our wallet now. Just click on this deposit. So deposit with crypto. Click on this deposit with crypto. So you are depositing BNB, right? Just type BNB. So you choose BNB. So you need to copy this address. So copy this address. This address has a copy. Let's go back to our Binance. So let's go back to our Binance app. Yes, you need to paste it here. You need to paste it here. I know a lot of people will be asking, well, why would you not withdraw the BNB direct to our Bybit? So you all know that we are leveraging on BNB ecosystem, which is Binance ecosystem. So the coins that you want to deposit here is OPP BNB, which means that it's only Binance app that accepts OPP BNB. So if you go and deposit it direct to your Bybit, you have lost your coins. You have lost your coins forever. So that is it. So we need to now choose BNB. Yes, you can see that there's two options for years to choose. Is either OPP BNB and BNB. But right now, make sure you choose BN20, which is BN20, which is Smart Chain BN20. Make sure you are very careful. Yes. So just click on withdraw. Just click on withdraw. Click on confirm. Click confirm. So we need to verify our withdrawal. So we need to, let me go and copy my authenticator code. So I believe right now you know how to do that. So let me just copy it. So let me paste it here. You can see withdraw in process. Yes, as you can see, the money is now inflating on our wallet. So if you notice something that the money is now to $15 again, you can see the charges, they remove their own charges. So that is it. That's one of the things we had to it if we want to give you rates. So we do not just give you direct it, we add the charges to it because there is a fees that also come with it. So the next thing we are going to do is that you know that this money is BNB, right? We need to convert this money to USDT first. Click on convert. So we need to convert this money to USDT. Just click on this the middle arrow, just swap it. We want to convert from BNB to USDT. We want to convert the all. So this is what we receive. We are going to receive 14.78. You can see the charges that come with it, right? That's one of the things we had to eat before we give you rate. So don't think we want to cheat if we give you a particular rate. So we have already converted. The next thing is for us to go and sell these coins. So for us to sell these coins now, you are going to go to P2P trading. P2P trading. So for us to sell our coins now, the next thing is for us to click on this sell. So once you click on this sell, so you can choose for anyone who's available for you to sell for. So you can also type the amount you want to sell here. So just type the amount. Let's assume we know that this money will be above 10,000. Let's just assume the range of 10,000 above. So those people who are in that range will pop up so that you can easily find Marshall to settle. So let's sell to this first person. So let's say you are going to look for the rate of that person also. So let us want to sell the coins. So if you are to sell these coins now, this is the amount we are going to receive. But this person, if you can receive, the payment method is James Bank, in which I don't have. Let's look for bank transfer. So let me say to this person. So let me say, yeah. So if I'm sending to this person, the person will send 23,000 to me. So I've already integrated my bank. You can see my bank, right? So I've already integrated my bank, which is my PayPal bank, into it already. So I need to click on sell. So I need to verify this. Let me go and copy my code. So let me go and copy my code. I need to, so yes, as you can see, we have already placed the order. So what we are going to do now is that we are going to check our balance. The person have sent this money to us, so we are going to release the coins. But if the person did not send the money, don't release your coins. If you have already released your coins, your money have gone with that. You can only contact support. They may intervene to that case, and they may settle it out. So they may ask for your own bank statement, and it may take a long process before you can resolve that. The best thing is for you to wait for you. So the best thing is for you to wait for that person to send the money to you. So after the person have sent the money to this account in which you provide, so you are going to release the coins for you. So let's just wait for this person to pay us. The buyer have successfully complete the payment. Please release the coins. So the next thing we are going to do now, before we release these coins, let's go and check our balance before we release the coins. So let's go and check our wallet. Maybe the money we have received the money. So just open the wallet. Let's check out. So you can see the name, right? Aliments Saliu. Just check it, maybe it's correct. So you can see the name, right? The person that transferred the money to us. You can see the name of the person, right? So you can see the money that we received, that is exactly the same amount we withdraw, we place the withdraw. The next thing we are going to do, just for us to release the coins for the person. So we are going to release the coins. I've confirmed. You can see that there's no more coins in our wallet again, and make sure you release the coins on time, because if you do not release the coins on time also, your account may flag, yeah, they may restrict your account. Yeah, so that's how you can easily withdraw your money by yourself. And make sure your Binance app and your Bybit is already verified before you go, because that may stop you in a punt. I hope you get right. So that is it.